हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स। जो टॉपिक हमने इससे पहले पढ़ा था इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन से पहले हम इसमें स्टडी कर चुके हैं। जो भी हम टॉपिक पढ़ रहे थे एरिल हैलाइड की हमने प्रिपरेशन मेथड्स देखी हैं, डेफिनेशन देखी है, और इसके बाद हम जो टॉपिक स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं उसकी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में हम इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस इसमें पढ़ रहे हैं। इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस में आपको बता दिया गया है रिएक्शन विद सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड मीन सल्फोनेशन ऑफ एरिल हैलाइड। सल्फोनेशन ऑफ एरिल हैलाइड हम इसमें कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। अदर इसमें सेकंड टॉपिक हम इसमें सेकंड रिएक्शन हम इसमें पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। नंबर सेकंड नाइट्रेशन ऑफ नंबर थर्ड रिएक्शन। नंबर फर्स्ट क्लोरीनेशन हम इसमें पढ़ चुके हैं, सल्फोनेशन पढ़ चुके हैं। नंबर थर्ड हम करने जा रहे हैं नाइट्रेशन ऑफ एरिल हैलाइड। Nitration of aryl halide. Dear students, chlorination mean reaction with chlorine, and sulfonation mean reaction with sulfuric acid, and nitration mean reaction with nitric acid in the presence of concentrate H2SO4. Dear students, chlorobenzene react with nitric acid, which NO2 mean nitric acid in the presence of concentrate H2SO4. In the presence of concentrate H2SO4, chlorobenzene react with nitric acid in the presence of H2SO4. We know that this reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction mean OH show negative charge and NO2 shows positive charge. Electrophilic substitution reaction mean electrophile add with chlorobenzene ring add electrophile. Electrophile here is NO2 positive. So dear students, we know that ortho and para position of chlorobenzene electron density is higher than other positions. So electron density higher, ortho and para position, so attack electrophile and ortho and para position, and ortho and para product is formed. So dear students, product is ortho nitro chlorobenzene, and other product is para nitro chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene react with nitric acid in the presence of concentrate H2SO4. Orthonitro-chlorobenzene and para-nitrochlorobenzene is formed, and hydrogen of ortho and para position and OH negative add and H2O molecule removed in this reaction, and product ortho and para is formed. Dear students, next reaction number 4. Reaction number 4 is nitration complete, and the next reaction Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. We know that Friedel-Crafts reaction is two type. Number first alkylation and number second acetylation. So number first reaction is chlorobenzene react with CH3Cl mean alkyl halide, mean alkylation reaction, and the presence of AlCl3 mean aluminum chloride. Anhydrous aluminum chloride react as a catalyst, and we know that chlorobenzene reasonable structures, ortho and para position, electron density high. So ortho and para product is formed, and we are completed electrophilic substitution reaction. So dear students, CH3 positive and Cl negative mean electrophile is CH3 positive, methyl. So methyl group add ortho and para position of chlorobenzene. So product is formed orthochlorotoluene, and other product is parachlorotoluene. Other product is parachlorotoluene. And dear students, we know that hydrogen removed in benzene ring and Cl removed in alkyl halide, and as Cl is removed in this reaction and product is formed ortho and para products. Number first reaction is known as alkylation because we are taking alkyl halide, and second reaction is, dear students, second reaction is chlorobenzene react with CS3COCl. CS3COCl mean acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. Yes students, chlorobenzene react with acetyl chloride and product is formed ortho and para products. Ortho and para products mean first product is ClCOCS3 and second product is Cl and COCS3 add para position. Product name is orthochloroacetophenone and second product is parachloroacetophenone. And we know that hydrogen of benzene ring and Cl atom removed and HCl removed in this reaction, and this reaction is known as acetylation of benzene ring because we are taken acetyl chloride. So dear students, Friedel-Crofts reaction is completed. Alkyl halide and acetyl halide react with chlorobenzene and ortho and para product is formed, and other reaction is, so dear students, electrophilic substitution reactions completed and other reaction. Electrophilic substitution reactions complete, and reaction number second chemical reaction is reaction with metals. Number first reaction, dear students, reaction with metals. Number first reaction with sodium metal. Dear students, reaction with sodium metals are two types of reactions. Number first reaction is NAM reaction, Wurtz-Fitting reaction. Number first reaction is Wurtz-Fitting reaction, and number second reaction is Fitting reaction. So dear friends, reaction is, number first reaction, Wurtz reaction is main chlorobenzene react with sodium metal. Two molecules of chlorobenzene react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. Sorry dear students, Wurtz-Fitting reaction, two set sodium metals required and one chlorobenzene and one alkyl halide means CS3Cl. One product is alkyl, one reactant is alkyl and second reactant is aryl. Alkyl halide and aryl halide react with sodium metal. This reaction is Wurtz-Fitting reaction in the presence of dry ether and NaCl molecules removed in this reaction, mean two NaCl removed, and product is formed product is formed toluene. Product is formed toluene and 2 NaCl removed in this reaction. And second reaction is fitting reaction. Dear students, fitting reaction. Fitting reaction when two molecules of aryl halide required in this reaction, when two molecules of aryl halide and two sodium atoms required. This reaction also completed in the presence of dry ether, and we know that Na positive and Cl negative mean NaCl molecules removed in this reaction, and product is formed diphenyl. So diphenyl is formed. Reaction with sodium metal, two reactions. Number first, Wurtz fitting reaction, and number second, fitting reaction. Dear students, Wurtz reaction mean one molecule of alkyl halide and second molecule of aryl halide react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, and product is formed toluene. And other reaction, fitting reaction, one total two molecules of aryl halide and two atoms of sodium react with in the presence of dry ether, and product is formed diphenyl. So total two reactions of sodium metal completed, and other reaction, number second reaction. Dear students, number second reaction is reaction with the copper metal. Here students, reaction is chlorobenzene react with copper, and second molecule of chlorobenzene, and product is formed two atoms of copper required in this reaction, and product is formed 2 CuCl, and other product is diphenyl. So dear students, number third reaction is reaction with magnesium metal. So magnesium metal react with chlorobenzene in the presence of dry ether, and product is formed aromatic Grignard's reagent. Is formed. So dear students, chlorobenzene react with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. Grignard's reagent is formed. Aromatic Grignard's reagent is formed. We know that Grignard's reagent formula is RMgX. Grignard's reagent, alkyl Grignard's reagent, and ARMgX here, aromatic Grignard's reagent. So dear students, reaction with metals completed, and number third is Third reaction is reduction. Number third reaction is reduction of chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene react with hydrogen in the presence of FeH2O or NaL, sodium aluminium metal catalyst or FeH2O catalyst. Chlorobenzene reduces and formed benzene and HCl. Mean hydrogen replace chlorine. Hydrogen and chlorine mean HCl is removed in this reaction and hydrogen add where Cl atom replaced. So benzene is formed in this reaction. Benzene is formed in this reaction when reduction completed. And fourth reaction is reaction number fourth, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Dear students, nucleophilic substitution reaction mean नाभिक स्नेही प्रतिस्थापन प्रक्रिया. Nucleus have a positive charge. Nucleus have a positive charge, and the nucleophile have a negative character. Nucleophile show negative character, and nucleus shows positive character. So nucleophiles, nucleophilic substitution reaction. So dear students, number first reaction is chlorobenzene react with NH3 ammonia molecule. Number second reaction is chlorobenzene react with CuCN copper cyanide, and chlorobenzene, third reaction, chlorobenzene react with NaOH sodium hydroxide. This reaction is completed 473 Kelvin temperature, and this reaction is 473 Kelvin temperature, and NaOH react with chlorobenzene. This reaction 625 Kelvin temperature. In the presence of Cu2O cuprous oxide, chlorobenzene react with NH3 in the presence of a Cu2O cuprous oxide, and we know that two NH3 molecule required, only one NH3 is required, Cl, and one hydrogen HCl is removed in this reaction, and product is formed aniline. Aniline is formed. Second reaction, CuCN, two molecules of chlorobenzene react with CuCN. CuCN, two molecules required in this reaction, and the product is formed cyanobenzene. Cyanobenzene, two molecules of cyanobenzene, and other product is Cu2Cl2. Cu2Cl2 cuprous chloride, and third reaction is NaCl removed in this reaction. NaCl removed in this reaction, and phenol is formed. Phenol is formed, and NaCl removed in this reaction. So total 3 nucleophilic substitution reaction completed. NH3 react with chlorobenzene, CuCN react with chlorobenzene, and NaOH react with the chlorobenzene. Cl atom replace in 3 reactions, and ortho and para product do not form in these reactions. So dear students, in nucleophilic substitution reaction we are formed ortho and para product if on benzene ring add these groups such as NO2, COOH, S3H, etc. Electron attracting groups. Electron attracting groups. If on benzene add these groups such as NO2, COOH, S3H, nitro, carboxylic and sulfonic, electron attracting groups, then these groups attract electron density ortho and para positions. So nucleophilic substitution reaction easily completed. If on benzene ring add these groups such as NO2, COOH, SO3H, electron attracting groups, then these groups attract electron density, ortho and para positions. So nucleophilic substitution reaction easily completed on ortho and para positions, and ortho and para positions nucleophile add easily. Example of this type of reactions. Example of these type of nucleophilic substitution reactions. Number first reaction, chlorobenzene react with OH negative in the presence of sodium hydrocarbonate, mean sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. In the presence of high temperature. Number first reaction. Number second reaction, chlorobenzene react with OH negative, NO2 group add ortho position of chlorobenzene. This reaction is complete 400 Kelvin temperature and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Third reaction is two nitro groups add on chlorobenzene ortho and para position. React with OH negative in the presence of NaCO3, 400 Kelvin temperature. Other reaction, last reaction is total 3 NO2 group add on chlorobenzene, react with OH negative in the presence of sodium hydrogen carbonate. This reaction, second reaction, is 370 Kelvin temperature, and this reaction is 300 Kelvin temperature. So total 4 reactions. Example, number first reaction is not complete. Not complete, no reaction, because no electron attracting groups add on chlorobenzene ring. Second reaction is completed because one nitro group add on ortho position of chlorobenzene. So electron attracting groups add on benzene ring ortho positions. So electron density attract NO2 groups and OH negative add easily on ortho position. So reaction is completed and product is formed. orthonitrophenol and Cl negative removed. Orthonitrophenol is formed. Other reaction, number third reaction. Number second reaction is completed on 400 Kelvin temperature. But reaction number third is completed 370 Kelvin temperature. Why? किस वजह से ये रिएक्शन जो है वो 400 केल्विन टेम्परेचर पर 400 केल्विन टेम्परेचर पे कंप्लीट हो रही है, लेकिन सेकंड रिएक्शन 370 केल्विन टेम्परेचर पे कंप्लीट हो रही है? बिकॉज टू नाइट्रो ग्रुप्स, टू इलेक्ट्रॉन अट्रैक्टिंग ग्रुप्स add chlorobenzene ring ortho and para positions, so electron attract easily and OH negative ion mean nucleophile add easily ortho or para positions on benzene ring. So reaction easily completed. So temperature, low temperature required in this reaction 370 Kelvin temperature, and product is formed. OH, NO2 and NO2. Mean 2,4-dinitrophenol is formed. 2,4-dinitrophenol is formed and Cl negative removed in this reaction. Last reaction, dear friends. Last reaction हम इसमें पढ़ रहे हैं. मीन 2,4,6 ट्राइनाइट्रोक्लोरोबेंजीन, 2,4,6 ट्राइनाइट्रो 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 2,4,6 ट्राइनाइट्रोक्लोरोबेंजीन react with OH negative ion in the presence of sodium hydrogen carbonate and 300 Kelvin temperature. Dear students, three electron attracting groups mean 3 nitro groups add on benzene ring, mean electron attract ortho and para positions. We know that chlorobenzene reasonable structures, ortho and para position shows electron density higher, mean negative charge. So dear students, electron attracting groups add ortho and para positions, electron density less decreases, and OH negative ion nucleophile add easily in this reaction, and product is formed 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, and this product is also called picric acid. This product is also called picric acid. So dear students, total reactions completed 4 reactions. The first reaction, chlorobenzene react with OH negative ion in the presence of NaCO3 at high temperature, no reaction, because chlorobenzene not added electron attracting groups. And second reactions, electron attracting group nitro add ortho positions and reaction easily completed, and 2 nitro groups add on third reaction, so reaction easily completed. Comparison, second reaction. And fourth reaction, 3 nitro groups add ortho and para positions, so reaction easily completed then first, second and third reactions compared to the first, second and third reaction. So nucleophilic substitution reactions completed. Dear students, आज की क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए हैं. रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए हैं. पहले हम इसमें बात करते हैं रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर की। रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर की बात करते हैं। तो रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर में हम लिखते हैं जैसे ARX मीन एरिल हैलाइड एंड RX मीन एल्किल हैलाइड एंड C6H5 CH2X मीन बेंजिल हैलाइड, एरिल हैलाइड, एल्किल हैलाइड, and बेंजिल हैलाइड। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर है एरोमेटिक हैलाइड रिएक्टिविटी लेस देन एल्किल हैलाइड एंड बेंजिल हैलाइड, एंड एल्किल हैलाइड रिएक्टिविटी greater than aryl halide but less than benzyl halide, and benzyl halide reactivity more than aryl halide and alkyl halide. So reactivity order complete. Dear students, reactivity order से आपके लिए 2 क्वेश्चंस दिए जा रहे हैं। इन क्वेश्चंस को आप कंप्लीट करना और कंप्लीट करके आंसर्स को आप कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप करके आप दे सकते हो। कोई भी डाउट हो आपका तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में आप लिख सकते हो। अगली वीडियो में हम इन क्वेश्चंस का सॉल्यूशन देंगे। जो भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा रहे हैं उनका सॉल्यूशन आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेगा। इसलिए वीडियो को कंटिन्यू आप देखते रहिए। चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड शेयर कीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट aryl halide not give easily nucleophilic substitution reaction. Aryl halide not give easily nucleophilic substitution reaction, but benzyl halide easily give this reaction. Why? Aryl halide not give easily nucleophilic substitution reaction, but benzyl halide easily give this reaction. Why? Question number second is aryl halide less reactive than alkyl halide. Aryl halide less reactive than alkyl halide. In the reference of nucleophilic substitution रिएक्शन। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये 2 क्वेश्चंस हैं, आपको ये कंप्लीट करने हैं। और ये अगर इसमें कोई भी डाउट हो तो आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप करके आपको लिखना है। और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इन दोनों ही क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आपको मिलेंगे। इसलिए वीडियो को लगातार आप देखते रहिए। वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए। और जो भी आपका बेल आइकन है उसके ऊपर आप दबाइए ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन वीडियो की, नेक्स्ट वीडियोस की आपको मिलती रहे और आपके क्वेश्चंस जो आप सोल्व होते रहे और आप बोर्ड के एग्जाम को अच्छी तरीके से प्रिपेयर कर सको, अच्छे मार्क्स आप केमिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट में आप बना सको। जुड़े रहिए। केमिस्ट्री ज्ञान बाई आर के कुमावत। थैंक यू सो मच।